Smoothie lovers everywhere understand how rewarding their creations can be when the flavor profile is just right. But how often are we forced to sacrifice the health benefits of our smoothies just so they taste better? It often comes down to a choice between optimizing the healthy content of our smoothies or indulging in those delicious flavors. What if we told you there's a way you can have both? Introducing MiraBurst, the easy-to-use way to enjoy the deliciously sweet flavors of your favorite smoothies while cutting down on the need for added sugars and sweeteners. Available in tablet or berry form, here's how MiraBurst maximizes the taste of your fruit smoothies. Simply remove a MiraBurst tablet from the blister packaging, place it on your tongue, and let it dissolve. It's really that simple. Once MiraBurst has coated your tongue, you're ready to enjoy your favorite smoothie. But be warned, you've never had one quite like this. The berry form of MiraBurst can be chewed slowly over the course of about a minute, but be sure to avoid the seed in the middle. Once you've chewed and swallowed the flesh of the berry, you're ready to enjoy. Looking for some fresh ideas to make your MiraBurst smoothie extra delicious? Add strawberries. MiraBurst is the only taste-modifying berry in the world that offers a naturally enhanced, clean, sweet taste to any sour or tart food or drink. The pulp of the berry contains an active substance that activates the taste buds and tricks the mind to perceive sour or tart as sweet. MiraBurst is a superfruit that contains antioxidants, and it's gluten and allergen-free. Containing 0 calories, MiraBurst is the perfect guilt-free indulgence for even the most health-conscious smoothie lovers. When it comes to MiraBurst, you need to try it for yourself to experience the miracle of nature. So visit MiraBurst.com today to claim a special offer on your first order.